Hey, today I'll show you how to save your project in Camtasia Studio. Maybe you want to work later on it and you want to quit right now and continue at any time later. Yes, sure. I have here a video. Let's add it to the timeline. And let's assume this is the final work for today and you want to continue tomorrow. Well, you have two options how to save this video. Either if you go here to File in the top left corner, then you'll find Save. Or you have also this combination on your keyboard. If you press Ctrl and S, now Camtasia will ask you where do you want to save this project, to be more exact. Name it as you want. I will leave it on default, untitled project. Press on Save. And now let's close Camtasia totally. This is my project which I just saved. Let's open it. And let's open again untitled project, and now Camtasia will open up our project from the moment where we left. It will load very fast, and by any chance if you would like to save again on the same save, what you have to do is press Ctrl and S on your keyboard and Camtasia will save your project automatically. It will not ask where to save it again because it will be saved into the exact location, into this one. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to save projects, to save a video in Camtasia Studio. Hope you have a great day.